Hey Swagsters! Today I wanted to do a winter clothing haul because I realized that I haven't done a haul on my channel in the longest time, and I was kind of just like, why? So today I'm going to be doing a winter clothing haul, but it's going to be more of a collective haul. Like, these are some things that I've got over the past few months because I haven't gone shopping too much recently, so here's just a big old collection of some things that I've gathered amongst the months. I don't know why I said that so weirdly, but let's just get onto it. Let's just get into it. I said onto it. That's kind of strange. Let's just get into it. Dude, that's 50 Nick. Haha. There's like a really fat bird outside of my window right now, and I'm slightly concerned. I'm actually very concerned. That's like a fat, there's a thick bird outside my window. Hi. So first I'm going to be showing some jackets. Why did I say it's like that? Jackets. But for Christmas, my grandma got me these two fuzzy jackets. They're so cute. I kind of died when I saw them. So the first one is this purple fuzzy jacket, and it has two little stripes on each side. And I just think it's super cute. It's so soft. It's not the same material on the inside though, which is kind of a bummer, but I think it's adorable and I wear this all the time. I'm pretty sure it's from Kohl's, so Kohl's, you're doing something right with this jacket because I love it. So the next sweater that I got is also from Kohl's, I'm pretty sure, and it is this blue fuzzy one, and it has like this turtleneck. It's like a thick turtleneck. It's quite large. So I haven't really worn this out of the house because I feel like it's a little bit much. But what I really love about this sweater is that it's soft on the inside too, like it's the same material. So I wear this literally every single day at my house because I'm always freezing cold, and this keeps me warm, and it's so soft, and I'm kind of in love, so really love that. The fat bird just like flew, and like the fat bird that was outside my window just like dropped, like it literally just like it fell. I'm so scared. I don't know where it went. I just saw it and it just went. Rest in peace, I guess. Okay, so up next on the fuzzy jackets list. So this is actually like my grandma's sweater. My sister asked to borrow it, and now it's at our house, so I guess it's our sweater now. I think that's how this works, but it's this gray fuzzy jacket, and I'm pretty sure it's from Walmart, which is kind of mind-blowing because who would have thought? But this is adorable and I actually love it, and if this is from Walmart, then Walmart, you know, like we stan. We really do stan. It's just gray and it's kind of oversized and it's so soft on the inside, which I absolutely love. Alrighty, so up last on the fuzzy jacket list. So last on the fuzzy jackets list is a teddy coat. I finally have gotten my hands on a teddy coat because I've been wanting one for quite the longest time, and honestly this isn't even mine. My sister bought this, but having a sister is like, whenever she buys clothes, it's kind of like it's my own clothes because I always just end up wearing all of her clothes, so I'm just gonna pretend like this is mine, but this is actually hers, but I still wear it, you know, so technically it's mine. So it is this brown teddy coat, and it is from Zaful. It's so nice. It's not the same material on the inside, which is fine because it still keeps me really warm, and I kind of love that. And it's so cute, and it looks so good in like insta pics, which is kind of swaggy, honestly. So really just love this teddy coat, and I've only worn it like once, but I still love her, you know? There's probably chocolate in my teeth. Waterfall, ha! Okay, so next I'm going to be showing some shirts and tops that I've gotten recently. So like last week, I think, I went to Savers and I found this cute cheetah print top. I've noticed that cheetah print is really trendy right now, and I just found this. I think it might have been in the kids section, I don't remember. But it's really cute, and I'm planning on cropping it because it's a little bit long, but I think this is adorable, and I kind of love the cheetah print trend. I saw this cute scrunchie and it was cheetah print.
I just really wanted a cheetah print scrunchie.
So this next item, I actually got this a really long time ago, but I recently found like a bag with some of my old clothes in it and this was in there. So it's kind of like a rediscovery, if you will. It's this green turtleneck from Brandy Melville. And I got this probably sometime last year, I'm not sure. But I just rediscovered it and I feel like this would be so good for layering because it has a little turtleneck. So it's just really cute and I think it would be so perfect for layering, which is something that I absolutely love. I love layering, but I barely have any long sleeves or t-shirts, so kind of difficult for me, but
this is cute.
Sometimes my brain just can't keep up with my mouth, so I just end up like talking gibberish. So that's something that I just really love about myself. It's so cute and attractive. It just makes me LOL, you know? I also ponder the reason for my existence sometimes. So this next top I bought last week as well, I think, and it's from Brandy Melville, and it is this adorable t-shirt and it says Los Angeles. It's navy blue and the font is in pink, and I just thought that this was so adorable and I kind of just loved it, and it's my new fave t-shirt, TBH. Do you ever just do your makeup and you think it looks good but it actually doesn't? Because me. This next top is actually my sister's as well, but I like stealing it all the time, so we're just gonna pretend like it's mine. It is this Vans top from PacSun. It is navy blue and green with white stripes and it has a collar. It's kind of edgy, like skater boy vibes. Why did I sound like a robot? Skater boy vibes. So recently I've been obsessed with belts. I just think that they're adorable and they add so much pizzazz to an outfit. So I bought these two belts from Tilly's. They're the same belt, just in different colors. I have one white one and one black one, and they just have a heart buckle, which I think is adorable, and it looks so good, especially if you're wearing a plain outfit and then you just have a little heart on your belt. It's freaking cute, no offense. So the next belt is really trendy, if I do say so myself, and it's from Brandy Melville and I got it in PacSun. And it is this checkered belt and it has like this seatbelt type of vibe thing. I don't know. But I was so excited. I went to PacSun and I had like a $10 off coupon and this belt was $10, so I literally got it for free. And I didn't even have to pay a single cent. So I was really excited and thrilled about that, if we're honest, but that's not cute. It's a good belt. Okay, so last but not least, I bought my favorite pair of shoes. I think it was last month. Actually, no, it might have been in November. I don't know. But I bought my favorite pair of shoes, and they're these one-star Converse shoes. They're just black. I have this exact same pair, but in purple. But my purple shoes are so hard to style, and I just feel like I look stupid whenever I wear them, so I just really wanted them in black. And I wear these all the time. They go with everything. They're so cute and I really love them, so, you know. So that is all for this haul. I know it probably wasn't the greatest haul, but I think I had some pretty swaggy items in there, let's be real here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you want to see more of me for some reason, make sure to subscribe. You can watch my other videos and do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!